we've got a graph of Westpac the other day, just on the subject of valuing assets, came out and made some predictions on Sydney home prices to jump by 14%. I think all the markets are going up. I mean, that strikes me as being a little bit premature. What do you think?
I think sometimes the problem is if you ask another economist, you're going to get the opposite graph. It works a bit more for Westpac shareholders to make sure things are going to look positive moving forward, not that they're going to have massive write-offs. Look, we don't really foresee, well, we don't know what to foresee, to be honest, but we don't really see that there's going to be a massive correction. But there's going to be a cooling, and we haven't seen it yet. Now, these things have to have an effect. So, look, resi houses in the burbs, I think has a much stronger chance of not having such a cooling. The growth, I think, is a bit excited, to be honest. I can't see our economy bouncing back from something as large as this that quickly. I would hope a great outcome would just be to not drop too much.
Lina, let's say there is, let's say that there is economic turmoil next year, and there, asset prices are affected. Does that affect your market?
Any turmoil results in an increase in disputes, which will ultimately result in an increased number of matters that could benefit from dispute finance, which will then obviously lead to an uptick for us. I mean, I think there will be some increase in companies being wound up, so that'll obviously also lead to an increase in some of our in our insolvency space and the claims that we fund in insolvency, still being a core of what we do at LCM. And I think this uncertainty, like we were saying, will continue to accelerate the uptake from corporate clients of our products. So I think in some ways we expect a fairly busy year ahead.